This article show how the clinical study to evaluate the efficiency of the Vamana karma with the Mudgara. Mudgara means Jasmine mulbarica weight Patra Swarasaha in a psoriasis. Mudgara Patra Swarasis used for the Vamana karma. This article written by the Dr. Yogesh Prasad Bhaiya, Dr. Shri Kantha, Dr. Nirajan Rao. Abstract Introduction. Vamana Karma is one of the Panchakarma therapy for the elimination of the viated kapha dosha, psoriasis in an immune mediated chronic inflammatory disorder which manifests as a dermatological lesion. In Ayurveda, psoriasis is a kapha pradhana kushta on the basis of their clinical presentation. In the present clinical study, that is a Mudgaraha, Jasmine Malbaricaha, Patraswarasa were used to evaluate the efficiency of a Vamana karma in a psoriasis. Multidimensional assessment of the psoriasis was done in the psoriasis area in severity index. That is, what is it? Psoriasis area severity index. We will let's see. Okay, sorry, I think there is a network issue. We will see in the next. 5D each score, auspicious sign and the candle grace sign. These are diagnostic technique for the psoriasis. An open clinical trial was done on a 20 diagnosed psoriatic patients selected from the OPD or IPD of the Department of the Panchakarma at the Karnataka hospital. After proper Pachana and Deepana, Samyaka Snigdha Lakshana patient were subjected to the Abhyanga and Parishik for the 2 days. Vamana Karma was performed as mentioned in the classic of the Ayurveda text. A patient were examined before a Snehapan, after a Vamana Karma, and on the 7th day after a Vamana clinical, auspicious sign, candle grease sign, PSSI, and the 5 each score were determined. The result of the study shows statistically a significance reduction in a PASI and the 5D each score. No marked changes were observed in the candle grace sign after the treatment. These studies suggested that Mudgaraha, that is a Jasmine mulbarica weight, Patraswarasa, is found effective in the management of the psoriasis. Uh, you can download the PDF from the internet also. For the whole information of this article, we will see what is a PASI, what is a PDI each score, candle grease sign, and auspicious sign of a psoriasis, and Jasmine mulbarica also. These are the Jasmine mulbarica. We used a Patraswarasa for the Vamana karma in the psoriasis. This one, this Jasmine mulbarica. This is a psoriasis area severity index. We see in the first image there is a uh, head psoriasis. We determine the percentage of the symptoms for the head psoriasis, that is erythema, redness in duration, thickness, and desquamation, scaling. Same as on the second image of a trunk. In a third image there is an arm, and fourth image leg. We noted a percentage for the psoriasis, how much severity and area under the psoriasis. So this is nothing but the PASI. This is the psoriasis area severity index. 5D each a scale are used to measure how the pruritus or itching to the patient. 5D means first D duration, second D degree, that is not present or mild or moderate or severe or unbearable. Then the direction, completely reabsorbed, much better, little bit better, unchanged or getting worse. Then a disability in a sleep, disability in a leisure social, housework, and the work or school, disability. And this next 5D is the distribution to the head or scalp or a face or a chest or abdomen, back, buttocks, things on the various organs. This is the 5D pruritus scale which are used in the psoriasis also. Then Auspit sign. On a scraping a lesion of a psoriasis with a blunt glass slide, silvery scale are observed following by a glistening transparent membrane. On a removal of this membrane, that is bulky membrane, multiple small bleeding points are observed, is nothing but the Auspit sign. This sign is absent in a pustular psoriasis and inverse psoriasis. The next test, Grates test, while eliciting the Auspit sign, the characteristic coherence of the scale seen as if one scratches a wax candle. So candle grace sign is also there. In this way, we cover this article of clinical study to evaluate the efficiency of a Vamana Karma with the help of Jasmine mulbarica Patraswara sign psoriasis. Thank you for listening me.